Good day. Today we're having a look at this. This is a little GameSir T1S, and as you can see, I'll just turn the box around. We've got a bit of Chinese writing on the back, just a little sticker there. Nothing very exciting to look at, and I'll open it up. I'll grab my little trusty knife out and slice this thing open somehow. There we go. Maybe through there perhaps. Okay, how do we open this thing? Right, oh, it looks like it's just a shaker. Righto, nothing in the lid. And there's the little controller sitting in there. Pop it out. Not a lot to see. Most of the game controllers all look pretty much the same. Well, when I say that, I'm talking about the GameSir ones, the nice ones. Put that aside. We've got little, what is that, USB charging plug, some instructions, and just flip them through, let you have a quick look. Looks like all Chinese on that side. Yep, it's all Chinese, it looks like, so I definitely can't read any of that. Now, we'll start playing with it and see what it looks like in action. Just reading the little bit on the front here, the main thing, it just simply says there T1S. That's the one I'm after. That's the model number. And what we've got today is the battery. We've got a little spare battery here for the Xiaomi Wi-Fi extender version 2. I've got my Oppo F1S mobile phone. We've got the GameSir T1S. I've got an OSD cable, the Tello, of course, a battery, and the little case that it came in. That's, when I say came in, that's the one to carry here, I mean. And this is what we're testing out today, and hopefully we'll get good results. And a bit of wind out today, but I'm going to give this a bit of a test to the GameSir T1S. We'll see how she performs. I'm not 100% certain at the moment, but let's see what happens, shall we?
Video recording.
And here we go.
Take off.
Go up and have a bit of a look around, will we? Five meters. 14 meters. 18. A little over 20 meters. 21 meters at the moment. That's giving an idea of what I can see in this area. It's quite pretty at the moment. So we'll come back down again, straight down. I don't want to get caught in any wind, although it doesn't look like there is any there. I think you could almost call this perfect flying weather. We're out about 20 meters, 25, 30, 39, 40, 50 meters. Time to start swinging around, I think. 60, 66, 70, 77, 80 meters.
Head free on.
Oops, that wasn't supposed to happen.
Head free off.
That's better. Okay, and we'll swing around, start to come back. That's about 80 metres. So yeah. Swing back around, come this way. Just see if the return to home will work now.
Return to home on.
Yeah, it's bringing it back. We just got a signal saying we had weak Wi-Fi. Battery's at 75%. At 60 metres. 55. We're at just under 30 metre height, so we might have to bring him down a tad.
Return to home off.
And I'll bring it down as we're getting up a little bit too high there. So definitely don't want to lose signal. Okay.
Return to home on.
Let's see how we go. As you can see, it's flying. Yeah, I'm being pretty happy. The wind is reason was dropped down again. Yeah, well, time to land. So there, where are we? There we go. I've got the little Tello in my hand. Successful flight, worked really nice. The little GameSir T1S works brilliantly, very happy with it. The short flight I've just had now was quite successful with the GameSir T1S. We took it out to about the 80 metre mark, and we swung it around a bit, then I went up. I lost orientation with the sun. That was that's one thing you learn: do not fly into the sun. You cannot see it from the ground. So I pressed the return to home, which was working quite well, but again it brought it back with the sun directly in my face, so I couldn't quite see where the Tello was. I could hear it but couldn't see it. So yeah, it brought it back quite nicely. All in all, I'm very impressed with the way that this particular game controller works with the phone and the Tello. I definitely recommend this one over the other one, the standard GameSir T1D. That's a Bluetooth version, whereas this is an OSD, and trust me, huge difference between the two. You really want to keep away from the Bluetooth controller if you can. Get a wired one, it's much better for you. Anyway, thanks for watching.